So next we're going to look at surface area of cones. A cone is exactly what you think of. It's like one of those ice cream cone looking things. You've got a circular base and then it forms a peak here. So it's like a pyramid, but it has a circular base, and the net of the cone is a sector of a large circle and the circular base of the cone. The surface area of the lateral area of the cone, the area not including the base, can be calculated using this formula. So this formula, area is equal to pi rs, is for this outside area. Now, to figure out your lateral face or your base, your lateral face is this outside piece. The base is the circular bottom. So to figure out the lateral face, you just go pi times the radius of the circle of the base times this s, which is the slant height. Okay. So to calculate the surface area of a cone, well, first we can calculate the area of the base, which is pi r squared. In ours, let's just scroll down here. Do we have an example? That's weird. Find the surface area of a cone that has a radius of 12 feet and a slant height of 15. Sorry, read above. Okay, so to find the surface area of the entire cone, we assume that it also means its base. So we find the area of the base, pi r squared. Pi times 12 squared gives us this, 452.39 square feet. The lateral surface, that's that new formula we learned, pi rs. Area is equal to pi times 12 times 15. That gives me 565.49. Surface area is base plus lateral surface, area 1 plus area 2, gives us a surface area approximate to 1,017.9 square feet. Now, you can combine both the base and the lateral surface to get this new formula that's for the surface area of a cone. It's pi times r times s plus r. So you'd add the slant height and the radius, and then you'd multiply it by pi times the radius. So, should we try it? Well, surface area is equal to pi times the radius, which I believe was 12. So times 12 times the slant height, 15, plus 12, which is the radius. Okay, this gives me pi times 12 times 27. So when we do this in my calculator, pi, I really want you to start using this pi button, okay? You can find it in most of your calculators. It just carries it longer than the 3.14. It's more exact. Okay, so we go pi times 12 times 27 equals 1,017.9 square feet. Now this formula will only work if you're going to include the circular base. If you're not going to include the circular base, then you just have to use this lateral surface. This area is equal to pi rs. Okay? So try a couple of these areas of a cone. Good luck!